In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a Sora 2 picture invite. Whether you're arranging a meeting, sharing event details, or simply coordinating with colleagues, using a QR code to share your Sora 2 invite link can be a game changer. QR codes can easily be scanned by most smartphones, making them a seamless way to share information quickly and efficiently. Let's dive in and explore the steps needed to create and share this powerful tool. First, you need to open Sora 2 on your device. Once you're in, locate your invite link or project link. This link is crucial as it contains the information that you want to share. Once you've identified the link, copy it carefully to ensure accuracy when pasting it later. This may seem like a simple task, but taking care here can help prevent issues down the line. Next, we'll use a QR code generator to transform your link into a scanned image. There are plenty of free QR code generators available online, and one notable example is qrcodegenerator.com. Go ahead and open your preferred browser and type in the URL to access the site. QR code generators are incredibly user-friendly, and the process is quite intuitive. Now that you're on the website, you'll notice there's usually a box or field labeled for you to input your data. Now paste your Sora 2 link into the designated box. Be sure that it's pasted correctly. This step is where your invite link begins its transformation into a QR code. Once you have pasted the link, look for a button or option to generate the QR code. This typically just involves clicking something labeled Generate or Create QR Code. After a brief moment, your QR code will be ready. Now that your QR code is generated, you'll have the option to download it. Downloading the QR image onto your device is straightforward. Look for a download option and click it. Keep in mind where you save this file for easy access when you're ready to share it. With your QR code saved, you're ready to disseminate it however you see fit. You can include it in a direct message, attach it to an email, or even post it on social media platforms. The beauty of using a QR code lies in its simplicity and accessibility. Now, anyone with a smartphone can scan your code and be redirected to the exact location of your Sora 2 invite, simplifying the process of sharing crucial information. We're excited for you to try this out and experience the convenience firsthand. Keep these steps in mind next time you need to share a Sora 2 invite, and happy sharing.